we need melted chocolate, a Ziploc cover, a stencil, and a paper, a sketch pen, and a rubber band, a glass, and a tissue paper for if anything goes wrong. So let's get started. First, we'll take the Ziploc cover and we'll open this. Insert your hand into the Ziploc. At the corner, you will hold this edge and put it inside the glass like this. Take inside out, and so now let's pour the chocolate. Goopy chocolate. Okay, now let's take it out. Now let's put the rubber band around it. Now my chocolate cone is ready. Now let me secure it like this. Yes, now it's secured. Now let's draw the shapes we want. Let's draw a heart. Like Valentine's Day. And a circle. Now let's put the stencil on the paper. Now let's cut the tiniest slit. So much. Let's put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Let's take out the paper which is under. We don't need it now. I've got back my stencil stick from the fridge. Now I want to remove them. See, they're popping up already. Pop! Pop! See guys, it's already popped up. We can just remove it like this. See, it has broken. That's okay if it comes like this. Chocolate is important, not design. There's an S over here. I don't know if it's an S or a Z. It makes its own design. Okay, now let's remove this biggest circle. I got it. My chocolate decorations are ready. I have lost few. I have got few. If you want, I'll show you. This is a swirl and this is a heart. You can decorate your ice creams, cupcakes with these chocolate decorations. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.